Hello guys, this is Pro. We need to continue the shout out part 3. The Ratchet. Sorry about there's no music, sorry. I think the last video was Prowl. And the first video was called the shout out for smokescreen. Ratchet was an ambulance. Drag it out. Because of the sprite error, the color error, it should need white. And the arm over there's a white you saw. It need red. And the leg part was correct. The cod piece was here. If anyone needs this, you can pause a video for a while to copy. My cod piece was put there. And there will be hinge 1 was the longest, hinge 2 shortest, hinge 3 the shorter, short a little bit long. But don't need glue there. It need turn. Ready your toothpicks to make. I was like that when I make. This is the hood. The hood. The wheel part or tires. This is the head part, back part, chest part, torso, behind the cod piece. What is this part called again? What is this part called again? Oh, I know it. It's called waist. This is waist. And the arm, don't forget there is the arm lock. Put arm lock, you need to wait them for dry. After gluing the arm to arm lock and elbow, just let them dry. After let them dry, put on the back piece. It needs open the flap before it was putting the arm, so it will slide freely. I cannot give you the link now. You can search it on Google. Paper former Ratchet. And the red light and blue light put here. Just copy. If you want to make it by your own, you can pause the video for a while to make. Okay. If you pause down, continue. But I don't have any tutorials because of the time. I don't have any time lapse. This is the spare wheel. The rear canopy, front canopy, door. It's called emergency. Sorry about not HD. Okay, this video was end. Bye.